Hello and welcome to the 21st Century Education channel of YouTube. Here we are with the Professor Goel of Magadh University. He is dealing with LSW, right sir?
Yeah.
So we are getting a very positive response in the community about education. What is your opinion regarding the national education policy right now which is prevailing in the country?
At first I would like to introduce myself Dr. Prakashchandra Goel, and thank you very much for this auspicious questions.
Right.
Yes, NEP, National Education Policy.
Yes sir.
In my sense,
Yeah.
every policy needs some reformations.
Exactly. There is a very gap in the reformation. The last education policy I think is in 80s and now we are come to education policy 2020. So
Yes, of course.
what is the prevailing idea of this policy? Can you please elaborate?
Actually, this policies has formed
Yeah.
for the international scope, you can say.
Okay.
Every policy just reforms for the betterment.
Okay.
So
right.
this policy also formed with betterment, you can say.
Betterment of
Yes,
education.
with betterment or with advancement, you can say.
Advancement.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sure, but in spite of this,
Yeah.
I have seen that there are some reformations also needed for these policies.
Exactly.
As
What are the major reforms?
no, I think one nation, one tax.
One tax. Okay.
That's why one nation, one education system or one education policy should be
Okay.
there.
Okay.
So here I can just glance the NEP.
Yeah, give a snapshot of this policy.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
So, but I only consider that national education policy has just needs some reformations.
Exactly.
That every schools, every colleges, every universities should be same syllabus.
Same syllabus.
But
Which is
India
guided by
has
India.
two syllabus.
हाँ,
For the private schools have different syllabus.
Okay.
Government schools have different syllabus.
Okay.
और एक चीज़ यहाँ पे और ज़रूरत है क्या, every government employee should be glance or should be care for the government sectors.
Okay.
Their children should be read or should be admitted in government schools, and if they will admitted, then education systems may be reformed. Otherwise, you will see the similar situations
Okay.
ever and forever.
Okay. Sir, now after the COVID crisis, the education scenario is totally changed a lot.
Yes, yes.
So the prevailing education system or the school system or the university system is shifted from physical classes to online digital classes.
Yes,
So what
yes.
your experience regarding the digital idea of learning?
Every coin has two parts,
Okay.
negative and positive.
Exactly.
Digital classes also some negatives
And
and
positive
positives.
aspects.
At first, I would like to say positive.
Okay.
Digital classes become very cheaper.
Cheaper.
Yes, cheaper.
How?
Because you can open your mobile and you
Okay.
can learn easily.
Okay.
Again and again, you can
But there is no
again
physical
and
interaction
again,
between the
again and
teachers.
again, you can glance same topics,
Same topic. Okay.
same videos.
But there is a lack of physical interaction between the teachers and the students.
It is a drawbacks.
Yeah, it is a drawback.
But I just said you,
What is your
Just-
personal experience? Please elaborate.
my experience is that digital classes is good,
Okay.
but not good than the physical classes.
Yeah.
Good in the sense you can glance again and again the videos.
There is no time bonding.
There is no time bounded,
Yeah.
and you can repeat again and again.
Exactly.
But in physical classes, there is no facility for repetitions of the videos, etc.
Okay.
Sir will come into the classes, and whatever he want to teach you, they will teach.
Okay.
You can't remind again and again.
Okay.
But in e-learning, you can remind again and again. You can say, you can see or saw
Remind
or
the same
glance
thing. Yeah.
similar video or same video
Okay.
again and again. This facilities.
Yeah.
Yeah. Next one is that in physical
You
education.
said there is a two side of one coin.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
That's why I tell. First, I just told you,
Yeah.
e-learning became cheaper,
Cheaper.
and the chances of repetition is very easily.
Okay.
It is a positive point, you can say.
Okay.
And we can live in the house. I can learn. I can saw again and again. But in the classroom,
There is
we
no
have
option.
to. There is no options. You have to be present. You
But
have
how,
to. Be,
how kids are clearing their doubts with the teachers on online? Is there any combustible that they are not able to do that?
in my sense or in my considerations,
Yeah.
a student has to face a lot of problems in the e-learning.
Okay.
because they can't ask much questions.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And there is a time limitation.
Even e-learning, you can see that the numbers of persons, the numbers of students are already with the group,
Okay.
and all the teachers, all the students,
Okay.
and teachers can't glance all the students,
Yeah.
and there is a lackness of interactions
There is a
between.
gap.
No, there is lackness of interactions
Lack
between
of interactions. Okay.
a student and teachers.
Okay.
That is the main drawbacks of the e-learning. If I just engage the physical classes in the classroom,
Yeah.
then I can just give some orders.
Okay.
I can give some lessons.
Yeah.
Accordingly, if there is needed for the motivation, then I can give motivations theories, motivational concept, motivational consent, you can say.
Okay.
So I can teach, but in spite of the syllabus, I can give so many
Vast
skills, so many knowledge
Yeah.
in semester, you can say.
Sir, my last question is, nowadays students are suffer from stress. Okay, in learning they are coming to the thoughts of suicidal activity. So what is your opinion, how to eradicate this mental stress of a student? This is my last question, and please elaborate in a very axiomatic sense.
In previous discussion, you just
I
glance
talk
that.
about stress management.
Yeah, stress management.
Yeah.
Actually, देखिए, ये knowledge is power,
Knowledge is power. Yeah, exactly.
and the source of knowledge is education.
Okay.
And when education comes here, then you may understand educational improvement are the roots of all growth.
Yeah.
That's human society and the country.
Okay.
And here stress is going on.
Yes,
Means
yes.
there is no lackness of knowledge and education.
So how to eliminate
Because
that stress
if
from
you
the mind of kids?
because the students don't know about the facts.
Okay.
The knowledge of facts or awareness of any knowledge,
Okay.
then that will be reduce or reform your stress
Okay.
level.
Stress level.
Stress level.
Yeah.
Suppose if I have a degree of PhD in semester, you can say,
Okay.
but I have no job.
You have no job.
There are so many students just have the degree of BTech or MTech,
Right.
but that student are getting only 15,000 rupees.
Okay.
So there's a lackness of monetary systems, you can say.
Okay.
So due to that lackness of monetary systems, the students or employees go in the stress.
Okay.
Because so I think, in my sense, or I always think regarding this, national education policy should be reformed, because if the system is giving the degree of MA or PhD or BTech or MTech,
Yeah.
so similarly they should just try to engage anywhere in the country, I think,
Right.
because unemployment gives the stress, many stress in this modern era.
Modern.
No job,
No job at all.
then
But this
your
is the
stress
lackness
level
of
will
government.
automatically
If there
boom.
if there is no job in the field, there is a lackness of government, not the students. But my question, as you simply elaborate, is how to manage that stress on learning-based background in the university, in the school system. What is your opinion?
Actually, you just said about the stress.
Yeah.
So stress means what?
There is a
There is
emotional
tension.
battle.
There is tension.
Yeah.
Why tension just arises?
Yeah.
Because I have some lackness,
Okay.
and that lackness may be the cause of money,
Because of money.
cause of the different habits,
Okay.
assumptions,
Assumptions.
lackness of knowledge,
Yeah.
or anything anything may be possible.
Maybe the.
But yes, so any stress can be managed by the knowledge.
Okay.
Any stress,
Can be.
yes, can be. Or there are so many stress are managed by the money. There are so many stress managed by the knowledge.
Yeah.
There are so many stress managed by the approaches. There are so many stress managed by the society, you can say, and sometimes government also plays vital role in some sphere, you can say.
Okay, sir.
Because suppose there are so many persons saying that, oh सरकार हम तो पढ़ तो लिए जॉब नहीं है, बस I have degree of doctorate degree,
Yeah.
I have doctorate degree,
Yeah.
but I have not a job. There are so many say that I have the degree of MTech,
Yeah.
but I am getting only 15,000 rupees or 20,000 in Mumbai
As a teacher.
and Mumbai or Delhi, etc.
Okay.
Anywhere. Then you can say, just you glance their real circumstances. That man may satisfy or
Okay. Right.
no satisfied, because he has need of money, and due to economic crisis, means the monetary causes
Yes.
arises here. That's why he is in stress. This is the modern era. This is the era of money, you can say.
Okay.
ये आर्थिक युग है,
आर्थिक।
modern era है.
Economic battle.
Economy, हाँ, is a, you can say that is the age of money or monetary, you can say.
Economic revolution.
Economic revolution का time चल रहा था.
Yeah.
So without financial benefit, without financial adjustments,
Yeah.
balance,
Yeah.
you may be imbalanced.
Okay.
So financially, you should be
Very sound.
shown in the sphere of finance or money or monetary. Then you can manage all the stress accordingly.
Okay.
Otherwise, you may be suffer from stress. You may go in the hypertensions,
Yes.
and automatically your life may be short.
Okay.
There are so many diseases
Face. you can
may
face.
you have to interrupt
Okay.
hypertension, BP, blood sugar, etc.
Various psychological.
So
reasons.
in this modern era, in my sense, only one, if I say one cause, that is the financial cause.
Yes.
Second, knowledge.
Knowledge.
Third, education.
Education.
Fourth, self-trust.
Okay. Self-trust.
Step by step you can go ahead.
Go ahead.
हाँ.
Okay, sir. Nice to meet you. So, guys, we are meeting next video with next personality. Okay. Goodbye. Thank you.
Thank you.